Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am excited to start a new video, new series of our channel focused on mechanical engineering interview question and answer with complete the explanation. Whether you are preparing a job interview or you are working, you want to expand your piping knowledge, this video is helpful for your success in your life. Make sure you watch your video and learn each episode, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and must be your bell button for the notification. Let's start a world mechanical piping engineer together. Now I am focused about now, the important question for your interview, whenever go for the mechanical engineering interview or the piping engineer interview, the interview asks you what activity to be done before starting the piping work. Ask because he want to know the what type of drawing to be used in the last position, how many drawing name and number to name to be remembered. So if he ask you what activity to be done before starting the piping job, then you told him to before starting the piping job I need to collect the sum of the drawings documents. First document is the plot plan. Whenever you go for any new project or any new place for you working, then you collect some of the document before starting the job. The first document is plot plan. That plot plan also have some option like issue for construction, that is valid for you. Issue for revised or anything, that one is not valid for you. If you want to do the construction job, that means that the plot plan also issue for construction, that is valid for you plan. So whenever you need a plot plan, then must be check that plot plan for issue for construction valid or not. Second drawing also, second number of the document is PNID. PNID means piping and instrumentation diagram. That PNID is required for the two type, for the process line PNID or for the utility lines PNID. That PNID also applicable issue for construction. If you want to do construction job, that means your PNID must be valid for construction work, because if he not valid for construction work, then maybe some changes after that he is issue for the construction, then must be know why this document is issue for construction. That have a check box. If he is already checked tick box, and after that is client sign, that one is okay, issue for construction. That the third number document is GAD, general arrangement drawing for the all over area where you are working, that project you require GAD. That the fourth number is isometric drawing. So isometric drawing, you need to know where how many of lines, how many of ISO, how many category of line of the pipe class or like this, that type of activity from the isometric drawing. After that, drawing index means one have a Excel sheet or one have a listed of the PMS, how many drawing of PNID, how many GAD, how many isometric, that all the list are available in the drawing index. Now the sixth number document is line detail schedule. Line detail schedule means the line that the simply called is line list. That line list have a detail about the what is the line number, what is the pipe class, what is the thickness of this pipe, thickness of this line, what is the schedule number of this line, size of the pipe, what is the temperature of this line, pressure of this line, testing pressure, that kind of activity, all thing available in the one row according to the all the line number. You have last line detail list, LDS line detail schedule, and the line list the same thing. That line list defines everything about to the line number key, what is the class, size, thickness, rating, and after that what is the temperature of this line, temperature, pressure rating, everything, pressure of the line, testing pressure, testing method ki hydro testing or pneumatic testing, that all detail available in the line list. Next one is pipe rack support detail. Pipe rack support detail means what type of pipe rack available, how many line available on the pipe rack, how many floor layer of the pipe rack, first layer, second layer, third layer, the first layer which lines, utility lines, second layer process line, fourth layer on the flare line, that kind of detail available in the pipe rack support details. Now the next one is support standard drawing. All the piping related work have a standard support detail like shoe support, like anchor, like channel, like SS support, like T type support, that type of support activity support detail available in the support drawing. Now the next one is equipment drawing for action purpose. In your area, if any equipment available, then you collect from the equipment drawing with nozzle orientation drawing, because equipment drawing have given the equipment nozzle or everything, or how many weight of the equipment, length or width, everything in detail available in the equipment drawing. So if in your area any equipment, then you find the equipment related drawing and nozzle orientation drawing. Okay, next one is tapping point. In your area, how many tapping connection from the branch connection from the line, that also one list available. Tapping point list key in your area, how many tapping list available, so then you collect from the tapping list. Next one is piping related civil drawing. Civil drawing means when you work for the UG piping, that time you required a catch basin, manhole, so that is the piping related civil drawing. Must be you collect from the team a piping related civil drawing like catch basin drawing, manhole drawing, UG work. Basically here the two type of work, AG piping and UG piping. Underground piping means the UG piping, above ground piping means the AG piping. When you go for the underground piping, then have some manholes or some catch basin, so you need to know what is the manhole drawing, manhole opening size, that type of things. That's why you need to collect piping related civil drawing also. And end of the day, UG piping drawing also, because whenever you work on the utility and the OWS line, then that line is going to connect with the underground line. So fire water line need to connect with underground also. So that's why you collect from UG piping drawing also for your easy connection of your AG and UG. So these are the common document collect before starting the job. So whenever interviewer ask you ki what to be done before the starting the job, then must be give at least 10 number of the point ki these document are necessarily required before starting the job. This is the important question. Whenever you go for interview ask you, he want to know ki you how many types drawing you know about this related to. That's why. Okay dosto, thank you for watching my video. Inshallah I will create again next video for your interview related questions.